Okay, everyone, now it's time to make a family tree. Now we're going to make a family tree. Click on the links down here to find the family tree. It looks like this and like this. And there's one more file that looks like this. Okay, step one. What's this? It's an apple. It's an apple. Inside the apple, you can draw the people in your family. Draw your sister and your brother, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, or what I did is I'm going to use these pictures. This is me. This is my brother. This is my brother Brian. This is my brother Kevin. This is my mom. This is my dad. This is my grandma. This is my grandpa. I don't have a picture of my other grandma. So this is my grandma, and this is my grandpa. I don't have pictures, but that's okay. You can draw pictures, or you can use a photo, like this. Okay, and you're gonna put one picture in every apple. One picture in an apple. Okay, step two, you're going to glue the picture of you. You are going to go here on the bottom. Okay, and over here will be your brother or sister. And up here, this is your mom, your dad. And here is your grandma and grandpa. Okay, so glue a picture of you here. Draw your brother and sister over here. Okay, so the apple with you goes here. The apple of your brother and sisters go here. Mom and dad here. Grandma and grandpa here. Okay, step three. Look at this. Print this out or write on a piece of paper. This is my, and then here you're going to write, this is my grandma, this is my grandpa, this is my mom, this is my dad, this is my sister, this is my brother. Okay, so step three, write a sentence for each person in your family. Write one sentence for your brother, one sentence for your sister, one sentence for your mom. This is my mom. One for your dad. This is my dad. Okay, write one sentence for each person in your family. Okay, now it's time for step four. Step four, you're going to use some scissors and cut around the sentence. You're going to cut around here, and then you're going to glue it onto your family tree next to the person. So this is going to be the picture of you. This is me. You're going to use the sentence that says, this is me. Put that here. This is my brother. Use your sentence that says, this is my brother, and cut the sentence and put it here, next to the picture of your brother. Okay, so when you're finished, your family tree should look like this. This is my family tree. This is my grandpa. This is my grandpa. This is my grandma. This is my grandma. This is my grandpa. This is my grandpa. This is my grandma. This is my grandma. This is my dad. This is my dad. This is my mom. This is my mom. This is me. This is me. This is my brother. This is my brother. This is my brother. This is my brother. Okay? So make your family tree like this. Put the pictures into the apple. Cut the apple. Glue the apple to your family tree. Write the sentences here. Cut the sentences with your scissors and glue the sentences onto your family tree.